just a little something that came to my mind, because this morning I was riding in the cold. Okay, initially I didn't have anything else underneath this jacket except kind of a thermal type of shirt, but it wasn't good enough. So I had to run back home and get my other freeze out type of shirt. I can't remember what the brand is, but I got that one because it protects me a lot better than what I had on from the cold. So what do you guys think about cold weather riding? Alright, if you were out and about and there was one part of you that you didn't mind getting cold as you were riding, which part of that, your body, would that be? Would it be your hands? Would it be your chest area? Would it be your legs? Would it be your neck? Which part do you not mind getting a little cold in case, you know what I'm saying, like what I did? You forgot a part of the outfit, right? You forgot a warmer or whatever. Which part do you not mind being a little bit colder when you're riding? For me, I don't mind my legs and my thighs being a little bit colder, so I won't put, especially if I know that the day is going to get warmer, I won't put anything else on underneath my jeans except, you know what I'm saying, my tidy whities. But anyways, right? So do you guys do the same? Do you not worry about your legs as much? Or is it another part of your body? I don't worry about my legs too much. I don't worry about my hands so much, especially if I know it's going to get warmer. But one thing I cannot ride without, especially even if it gets warmer and I'm riding early in the morning when it's colder, is my chest area, my upper torso, right? I have to have something to keep me warm there, because when my body gets to the point where I'm shivering, and that's really because I'm on the naked, that's where the wind hits me the most, is in my kind of my upper torso area. So if I don't have something that is going to keep that particular cold out and keep me as warm as possible, yeah, I start to shiver, and it makes it difficult for me to ride when I start to shiver. My body starts to shiver, because I can deal with my hands and stuff being cold, but when my upper torso starts to get really cold and I start to shiver, like it can become uncontrollable. And so that's why I had to turn back. It was cold this morning. I didn't think it was going to be, and I was like, well, I'll just put up with it, because I knew it was going to get warmer. I was like, oh, I'll just put up with it. Nope. I got like maybe 5 minutes from the house, and I'm like, no, I have to turn back. I have to turn back and get that other one, because it's just too cold. So I did. I turned around and got that. So yeah, so right now I feel good. The weather's getting, the temperatures are rising, so it's getting warmer, so I'm not too worried. I'm not like worried anymore really about my shivering. I did get off the bike a lot though. This trip took me longer than I expected, even though I think the route itself was short. The ride took a little bit longer than expected, because I was getting off the bike, taking pictures, and also trying to let the sun kind of warm me up, so that I can control my body from shivering and control my body temperature and stuff like that, because I knew I still had to do the ride back home. So but yeah, what do you guys do? You guys, which part of your body do you mind not getting a little cold, and versus something that you like, oh no man, I have to cover this up. Like for me, I have to cover up my upper torso and keep that as warm as possible. Let me know in the comments below what you guys do to try to offset stuff of that nature. Alright, we are back in town. Oh man, I'm telling you, my highway rides, bro, they are rough. Yeah, definitely rough. But we back in town. Almost to the house here, so just got to go through the town here a little bit, and then we'll be back home. But that was a good time out on the semi-new route. Said I've been on that route before, just as I was mapping it out. Never really just dawned on me that I've been on that route before. Parts of that route, not that exact one that I was riding on, but parts of it. But that was a good time. Had a couple of run-ins with silly people on traffic. Oh man, that got me so mad. I couldn't get it on video because the GoPro was battery died, and I was still on the highway, so I couldn't just, you know what I'm saying, I can't just jump out and replace it. So, but had a couple of close calls with cars just not paying attention, man. I'm just like, oh, so frustrating. But I'm safe. I was able to maneuver my way out. I had exit plans mapped out in my brain when I was following people and watching how they were negotiating traffic. So I had it mapped out in my brain. Good thing, thinking ahead. We all gotta do that. Think ahead, map out your exit route. But yeah, that was a bit frustrating. It almost ruined my day. But it didn't. We good. Still out here. Like I said, we are still upright. No accident, so I'm gonna count that as a good day.